Alhamdulillah, thumma salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala ahlihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fassalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, today we are going to be continuing our explanation on the data sheet. Just as we have said initially, that we are going to be explaining how each and every of the subsections of the data sheet. We have given a broad overview of what each and every section is. If you have not watched that, kindly go and watch it before watching this, because it's going to give you a better understanding of how everything is connected. So initially we had done the activity sheet, and inshallah today we are going to be doing the inventory sheet. So the essence of the inventory sheet is to keep inventory of the products that we have, so that at every point in time we are able to track the amount of products that we have. This is going to be used by the person in charge of inventory. However, every person in the group is expected to watch all the videos that I've said, so that we all have a good understanding and grasp of the whole system as it works. And also we can also be asked to take up one role or the other in the future, so we won't be novice to it. So as for the sheet itself, which is the inventory sheet, it has quite a number of columns. The first one is the serial number, so that's just the serial number for the sheet itself. The second one is the date, that's the date at which you are recording that data that you want to input. The third one is the product name, that is the name of the products we are selling. The fourth one is the opening stock. The opening stock is the amount of products that we have at the beginning of that day, the amount of products we have left at the beginning of that day with us. The newly purchased stock is the amount of products that is just bought. Maybe we bought new products in, so that's the newly purchased stock. The next one is the number of products sent for delivery. That is the amount of products that we sent out for delivery, whether it's through GIG or we sent it to our delivery persons at different states. So the amount of product that were sent out will also be recorded. The next one is returns. Maybe we sent out products and for one reason or the other we needed to call them back, maybe from our delivery persons, or maybe we sent it out via GIG and let's say the person rejected the order. We need to receive the products back, so those are the returns. So all of these would be taken into consideration when accounting for the amount of products we have. So I'm going to be giving an example. The last one is the closing stock. So the closing stock is the amount of products we have at the end of the day. So I'm going to be giving you a real life example for that. So today is 27th, so I'm just going to input 27th of October 2023. So the name of the product, let's say the name of the product is M9 earbuds. The opening stock, let's say we had 80 products as our opening stock today. So newly purchased, let's say we didn't purchase any product as of today, no new products came in, so it's going to be 0. So the number of products sent out, let's say we had run our ads and we had maybe 20 orders, but out of the 20 orders we were able to confirm maybe 15. So and those 15 products were now sent out for delivery, so 15. So the next one is returns. We didn't have any returns for as of today, so that's all. So we can see that because we have sent out 15 products, we have 65 products as our closing stock. So for our closing stock, we don't need to touch it, it's just going to calculate it for us. Now let's say tomorrow, now we now want to input our data. So tomorrow is going to be 28th of October 2023. Okay, so the name of our products is still the same, it's still our M9 earbuds. So how much products do we have? The amount of products we are going to have as our opening stock today is going to be the same as the amount of products that we closed with. It means that our opening stock is going to be what? 65. So 65, because the amount of products we closed with is what we have left for today as our opening stock. Let's say we purchased new products today and they arrived today, so and let's say they are 30, that's we purchased new products from China and they arrived today, so it means that we would write the amount of new products that arrived. Let's say we ran ads and we were able to send out maybe 20 products, do you understand? And maybe we had maybe 2 returns from the previous day's delivery, so it will also calculate our closing stock. So it's going to continue in that manner. So whenever you have any new product, you are going to input it. If we don't have any new products, it's going to be zero. But our opening stock is always going to be the closing stock of the previous day. Our opening stock is always going to be the closing stock of the previous day. Let's not mix it up. Our opening stock for today is the closing stock of yesterday. So we ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it well understood. If you have any questions, let's not fail to ask on the group. We would always be there to respond to your questions. We ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgives us our shortcomings and he makes this better understood than said. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik nash'adu an la ilaha illa ant wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.